The School of Cinematic Arts has a very long history, but today we're very much involved in imagining where our industry is going to be in the future.
Over the last 10 years, we've built a very strong program of research at the School of Cinematic Arts. We have new initiatives in immersive media, thinking about ways that audience members can literally step into the image.
USC is home to a series of programs devoted to introducing students to the new technologies and new media art forms and redefining it for brand new fields where this kind of work has not been done yet.
Students need to be able to tell a story, communicate an idea, analyze a data set, visualize a problem, and those skills will take them through a lifetime of careers we can't even imagine.
We are looking at ways to use mobile devices to interact not only with other humans, but ways to communicate with our everyday surroundings.
We've been working with the BMW designing experiences for drivers in their car as their car gets to know them. We already know that people think of their cars as a friend or as a character, and we're trying to extend that through a narrative and through a story world.
We reimagine future forms of cinema. Those range from playable cinema, immersive cinema, and collaborative cinema.
The most exciting areas that we're exploring is the concept of world building, which is a concept that comes from shifting from a very linear process to a design-oriented process, where you start with the rich, robust creation of a world, and out of that world, a story emerges.
And Leviathan came out of this dialogue with Tracy Fullerton and students in the world building lab. And we developed a new story where we had found ourselves in a parallel, fictional, highly fantastical universe. And then with more prompting and collaboration with Intel, we started looking at an augmented reality approach. It starts really re-examining all of our expectations.
Journalism is an area that we know well, but when you bring together journalism with some of the capacities of the cinematic arts, you get something brand new.
Project Syria, which premiered at the World Economic Forum, puts you on a street when a bomb hits and then takes you into a refugee camp to make you understand how many children have been affected by the crisis.
When students come here, they're often very interested in the entertainment industry, but when they get here, they find that there is a wide range of opportunities for them in terms of careers. So, for example, interactive media in health and wellness, in education, in things like social activism. These are all areas that are just wide open for exploration.
Skills in media literacy and in communicating with data and story will be increasingly important for medicine, for engineering, even fields like law or newscasting.
People from industry look to USC as producing people that are both well-rounded and creative and know their tools in the context of a development environment.
The tools and technologies change on a daily basis, so we really focus on teaching more a kind of disposition, a way of being in the world, curiosity, imagination, collaboration.
A company like Oculus says, I know that the students there are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and I know the faculty is supporting them and in their own research doing that as well. And that kind of enthusiasm, that kind of desire to sort of find out what's next is very attractive to companies.
While working on Rhea, we were able to call up some guys at Oculus when we ran into a bug, and they were able to fix it and just send over a patch really quickly to us. And that was really unique. I can't imagine finding something like that at any other school.
Some of the other partners we're working with include the Getty and also the Smithsonian. And with those partners, we're interested in how online digital materials might come alive in new ways.
The future of entertainment is part of the future of humanity, and that it is all growing and layering on each other and becoming a much more interconnected world.
Today, this industry is exploding. It's exploding in terms of all of the places that are making and creating content. It's exploding in terms of where user-generated content is going. We want stories. We want to be immersed in them.